In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report Form 142S, Scholarship Income in TurboTax for a U.S. resident return. If you're filing a U.S. resident tax return using Form 1040 and you received scholarship or fellowship income reported on Form 1042S, here's the key thing to know up front. TurboTax does not automatically import Form 1042S. That means you'll need to manually enter the information from your 1042S into the software. Don't worry, this is manageable as long as you have your form in front of you and type the amounts carefully. Before you begin, confirm that you're filing as a resident for tax purposes. Residents report worldwide income on Form 1040, and scholarship or fellowship amounts shown on a 1042S can be taxable. The form may also show federal tax withholding that was taken out. You'll want to make sure that withholding gets entered so it correctly reduces your final tax due or increases your refund. When you're ready, have your Form 1042S beside you. You'll manually type in the core details exactly as they appear on the form. That typically includes the gross income amount reported, any U.S. federal tax withheld, and, if applicable, state withholding. Precision matters here. Entering even a small number incorrectly can cause a mismatch with IRS records. If you received more than one 1042S, enter each one separately so every amount and its corresponding withholding is captured. As you enter the data, use the descriptions on the form to guide which fields you choose in the software. The goal is for the income to be included in your taxable income on Form 1040, and for any withholding to be credited on the payment side of your return. If your 1042S reflects a tax treaty claim or exemption code, make sure the way you report the income in TurboTax reflects what's on the form. Keep your documentation handy in case you need to reference it. A few tips will help you avoid common mistakes. Enter names and identification details exactly as shown on your 1042S. Double-check that the total withholding you enter matches the form to the dollar. If you also received a 1098T from your school, don't duplicate the same scholarship amounts in two places. Enter them once as reflected on your 1042S. And remember, since 1042S isn't imported, you won't attach it in the software. Just retain it with your records. That's the process in a nutshell. You'll manually enter the 1042S scholarship income and any withholding so it flows onto your Form 1040 correctly. Take your time, review each entry, and you'll be set to file with confidence.